name is Thembalomzi, surname is Bam. I'm originally from the Eastern Cape in a town called Engcobo, but I've been here like for almost my whole life, and I've lived in this community for over 10 years now. Nokwanda Education is an educare center for children, so she prepares them to enter primary school, so she teaches them and everything, and she's also involved in the community.
Hi, my name is Leroy and I'm working with Project Yes. We're building an early childhood development center and we're looking at this really developing or uplifting the area.
Usually we see houses built with bricks and concrete, so it was exciting for me to see how the bags are filled up, how to line them perfectly. I've joined our project Yes because it uplifts the community and it's beneficial to the community.
Getting the guys in, getting people from the community to actually help out, getting the eco beams made and getting the mamas from the area to actually fill the bags and then actually build the bags with us, so the community is involved.
This is Tobelali Mnyaka, but also known as Master. He's also a community member working with us here on the project Yes.